Presenting the ProfitTradingApp Copy Trading Service. Copy trades from experts automatically with the Copy Trading Service from ProfitTradingApp. Simple for beginners and powerful for experts. Explore the master's ranking, check their stats and choose the one that you like most to copy their trades. Find out other users' trades and see what are they trading now, including open and closed orders. Also check their open and closed positions with detailed data about prices and profits. Let's see how easy it is to copy other user with an example. First select the master user to copy, set your copier alias and choose trading spot or futures. You can create a virtual copy just to make tests without risking real money. Then set the amount you want to use per trade. You can set another optional parameters as maximum total fiat to use, maximum open positions, maximum loss desired or the leverage to be used. Once the copy parameters are defined, it's time to set your API keys. If you have already configured them in the app, you can just choose an API keys pair and the copy process will use it. Now it's all ready, the platform will copy the master trades for you so you don't need to do anything else. You can check your copied trades performance at any moment, including total profits, open profit, return on equity or win rate. You can also explore the last created orders with detailed data like the current state, prices and amount. Also you can find your open positions showing the unrealized profits, and closed positions, including the profit balance, position prices, and history list. But that's not all. Do you have any friend whose trades you want to copy? Now you can do it. Just introduce his master identifier in the search bar, select copy, fill your desired parameters and the platform will start copying all your friends' trades. Profit Trading App is a platform enrolled in the main exchange's Broker Partners program. It has more than 400,000 downloads since 2019, with thousands of trades done. It's available for free on Google Play.